Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you all, the Redgear Pro Wireless Gamepad. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at this fantastic gaming accessory and exploring all its features. So let's dive right in. It comes with dual USB dongle so you can fit one in your TV and one with your laptop on any other device, and we also get a charging cable which we can use with mobile phone adapter. We can use that to charge our gamepad. The Redgear Pro Wireless Gamepad is designed for gamers who want a seamless and immersive gaming experience. It offers a wireless connection, giving you the freedom to move around without any tangled wires. Plus, it's compatible with various platforms including PC, Android, and PlayStation consoles. Yes, you heard it correct, we can use it with our mobile phones as well. Now let's talk about the buttons and controls. The Redgear Pro features a classic layout with a familiar D-pad, two analog sticks, and the standard action buttons. The buttons are well placed and have a satisfying tactile feedback, providing excellent responsiveness during gameplay. Here you can see we have A, B, X, Y keys, which are illuminated keys, and the toggle buttons. Here if you see, if we press and hold X key and press the turbo button, it will basically enable the turbo mode. Turbo button is used for the action games, like if you want to kick someone, so we just need to press and hold the X key and it will continuously kick, and we can turn it on using home button. Here in the back you can see a small hole. Use a pin to reset this. Here you can see we have illuminated keys like these A, B, X, Y, and if you press and hold B key and back button for 5 seconds, it will basically turn it off. It has dual vibration motors, and if you see in the left and right, like these handles are basically rubbers, so it will not slip from your hands. Now let's talk about the battery. So it allows about 8 to 10 hours of battery life. If you are planning to buy a budget gamepad, then this is a must buy. It costs around 1600 rupees. You can find the link in the description for Amazon. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.